friends, Running Kimono here. I hope you're all having a wonderful Labor Day. And in today's video, we are looking at the best curbside deals this week over at Walgreens. And it is for the week of September the 1st to the 7th. What a curbside deal is you're ordering this stuff through the Walgreens app, hitting the box on the left-hand side with the red check, driving to the store and picking it up. It is that easy. And a lot of people really enjoy shopping this way, and myself included. Now, if you are one of these shoppers that prefers to be in store with the register rewards and just looking around, and this is the kind of shopping that you like, I made a video yesterday where I show you some basic quick deals and even a $30 basket. So I will link this video at the very end. I know some people prefer in-store and some people prefer curbside, so I have you covered for both. Now, with the booster of the 7-back when you spend 30, the one pictured at the top, it expires today. So they just slid that one in. And then on the 3rd, which is Tuesday, we have a 7-back when you spend 30 on health and wellness products. So we will definitely investigate the second one later. I was kind of hoping that we could get $14 back when you spend 30. Not happening. They are too wise to us. But if you want to use that top one, today is the last day to make it happen. If you could do me a huge kindness and please give this video a big enthusiastic thumbs up, I would be so grateful. It really helps me out and to ensure that this video doesn't end up in YouTube Siberia. If you could take a quick second and like the video, thank you so much in advance, guys. Deal number 1, and this is free Olay, so we are not messing around. You have your best friend loaded and you have to use this one today because it's expiring today, which is really weird because they never usually do this, but here it is. So we are also stacking with this, which is $5 back when you buy 3. And I just threw all this stuff into a basket, and it's still working as of this morning, which is September the 2nd around 5:30 a.m. The store unfortunately didn't have 3 of the same scents in stock, so I just had to get a mix of different ones. So, you know, if you like different body washes, that's the way to do it. $21 for the 3. Typical price is $8.29, so some savings there. And then we're going to load our best friend, which is a 5 off of 3. Make sure you load that. And then we are going to be grabbing 3 of these BABYLIPS. Now, if you don't like anything with color, they even have a clear one. So you can get either something with a tint or not. But if you remember, if you grew up, you know, Y2K baby, you probably were all over these BABYLIPS. They were quite the thing back then. I would say almost somewhat nostalgic. So we have this 6 off of 2, and they are in a promotion of buy 2, get the 3rd for free. So boom, a little bit of magic right there. And just to show you, buy 2 Maybelline, get $5 back in Walgreens cash. So boom, there it is. And then we're also going to throw in one of these guys to get the math to balance, and I'm going to show you that in a second. Okay, so looking at this, it's $32.77 for the overall basket. WAG 10 taking off $2.18. We're still at that $30 threshold, and that's very important for that spend booster. So I got you covered math-wise. Free curbside pickup and tax, $11 in coupons melting off. With your debit card, you're going to pay $21.43, and you're getting back $20 in Walgreens cash. 7 for the booster, 5 for Maybelline, and 5 for Olay. So if you're not factoring in the tax, it makes 3 things of Maybelline and 3 of those BABYLIPS freebies. I mean, honestly, those BABYLIPS would make it a fantastic stocking stuffer. So this deal is insane. It's on fire. This is why we coupon right here. Okay, the next deal that we're looking at is another $30 basket. So if you didn't like the first one, this is an alternative deal. You need your best friend loaded, and you got to use this one today. Now, if you can't do this deal today, we're going to look at that medical one starting on Tuesday. We have a 5 back when you spend 20 on P&G. So this is going to go in a different avenue. Unfortunately, with that booster, none of the tides were attaching. However, 2 of these Charmin at $23.98, it's attaching. So we're going to do that, and we don't have a digital coupon, but we're going to try and make it work in a different way. And we're also going to throw in 3 of your best friends, which is the Maybelline BABYLIPS for $10.98. And we have that $6 digital. It makes it absolutely fantastic. It makes that a freebie after the $5 in Walgreens cash. Like, what a great deal for BABYLIPS. So looking at your overall basket, guys, it's $34.96 with the code WAG10, $2.90 coming off, free curbside pickup, tax, and $6 melting off. You're going to pay $27.98 and get back $17 in Walgreens cash, $7 for the booster, $5 for Maybelline, and $5 for P&G. That promotion of spend 20, get back 5. For the toilet paper, it's not the worst deal, I don't think. Like $5 per, and then that free BABYLIPS. If you can't type in your coupon code at checkout, a lot of people have been having issues. I recommend to log out, log back in, see if that might work, because there's been several issues with those codes not showing up, that little bar to throw in the coupon code, or alternatively, you just can't type it in. The app's been a bit fussy. I've even had issues. The next two deals are just basic $10 fun little deals. The first one, we're going to throw 6 of the Snickers fun size chocolates for $15 into a basket. For whatever reason, I still have this coupon and it's taken $1.50 off. So if you have it loaded and you didn't use it, this might be your opportunity. And WAG10 is taking off $1.35 as well. I always have that in my account that it pops off, but hopefully yours will apply as well. So $15 WAG10 plus that extra $1.50 off. To pay $12.15 for 6 bags of this. I mean, you have candy for the office, for trick-or-treaters, or for lunches, if this is your thing. And I think there's a couple different flavors in the Snickers. I think there's like a peanut butter one and then the regular. The last deal that I have prepared for you guys, there's this online only. It's 3 for $5 for various nice brand snacks. I went with the popcorn. I think there's some sort of a chip involved too, or chips. So you pick which one you want, but they're 3 for $5 and that's online only. So I threw 3 into a basket of just the regular popcorn, just the basic one. I think there might be a cheddar one too. And then 3 of these Walgreens bags for $2.79 with back to school to get, things organized. I just think that this is a fantastic price point. It makes it 93 cents for each. And then we're going to throw in 2 of these toilet papers. You can either get the strong or the soft, very comparable to Charmin in my book. To show you here, $11.77 using the code WAG10. We have $1.18 melting off, free curbside pickup, 37 cents in tax for $10.96. If you wish to use $10 in Walgreens cash, go for it because you're not using a booster with this one. And it's the same for the last deal with the Snickers. If you wanted to use some Walgreens cash, you can do that as well to get some cheap goodies. Before we take off, guys, I just want to show you some of the Hello Kitty magic I'm finding at Walgreens. Is this Hello Kitty fever at every store? I don't know. But those Halloween ones, I'm almost tempted to use $10 in Walgreens cash to get both in my house. I probably have to spend $20, but they are so cute. And the Time magazine is like $15, so I'm going to have to figure something out to make that happen. That's it for this video, guys. We will catch you in the next one. Bye.